guys, today I'm going to cook some chicken thighs and rice in the Instant Pot. So let's apply some pressure. This is my first Instant Pot video in this kitchen, so you have to kind of bear with me here. I'm trying to figure out the best way to where to put things and stuff. So starting off with 1 cup of brown rice, put that in the pot. That's long grain brown rice. And also I'm going to add 1 cup of water. Usually when I cook in the Instant Pot with rice, I do equal parts water to rice. So if you want to use more rice, just, add another cup of rice, another cup of water, equal parts. Okay, also I have a package of organic chicken thighs here. These were $3.99 per pound, 1.82 pounds, so these were $7.26. So the debate is always whether or not to wash chicken. This seems pretty fresh, so I'm just going to put it right in the pot. But if you want to rinse your chicken, feel free to do that. That's up to you. And now I'm going to season it right in the pot with this Kinder's cracked lemon pepper rub or seasoning. The ingredients to this is cane sugar. For some reason my camera shut off, but like I was saying, the ingredients to this is cane sugar, sea salt, black pepper, garlic, onion, citric acid, rice concentrate, lemon peel, parsley, turmeric, lemon oil, and safflower oil. So I seasoned my chicken on both sides with that, and make sure my camera's running here. And also I'm going to go lightly with a little bit of kosher salt. The rice is underneath. And I have 1 onion that I cut up here, so I'm also going to dump that on top there. And I will get the lid on there. Now I'm going to pressure cook this for 15 minutes, but I'm going to let the pressure release naturally from the pot. So by the time the pot preheats, goes through the 15-minute cooking cycle, and then the pot will shut off. But as long as there's pressure in the pot, that'll still keep cooking on its own until the pressure releases. So it'll probably be in there about an hour or so. I'll set the timer on my phone so I can tell you guys exactly how long it took. So the pot just shut off, and you can see that pressure pin is still up. It's only been in the pot 28 minutes so far. So if I was to let the pressure out right now, I don't think the chicken would be done yet. So I'm just going to let that sit in the pot till that pressure pin drops, and then we'll open it up. I just heard the pressure pin drop. It took 47 minutes. So let's take a peek here. See how it looks here. Oh yeah, that chicken looks nice and tender. I think that's done. Let's get some out of there and try it out. Alright, let's see how this came out. Rice looks cooked good. Try a little bite of that. Oh yeah, the rice is good. The skin, I don't like the skin too much. The skin doesn't turn out good in there. See how it's kind of rubbery? But the chicken looks really good, and see how tender it is? In fact, if you want to just like shred it up and take it right off the bone. Now that's hot. You can just pull it right off the bone like that if you want to mix everything together. So let me try a bite of that chicken there. Yeah, that came out good. Chicken thighs always come out good. They're pretty hard to screw up. Be good all mixed together with the rice. Well, I don't like the way the skin turned out, but I bet you Annie won't mind too much. You want to try the skin, Annie? Oh, of course not. Well, that worked out good. And you can use any kind of seasoning that you like. Anyway, I'll write everything in the description like usual. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.